everyone, I am Maria Paula C. Blaso. So today, I am going to perform a hand washing technique return demonstration. So hand hygiene, it is a primary measure to prevent infection. Also, it is most importantly procedure, avoid cross-contamination between the patient and the healthcare providers. So hand washing, it is an act of cleansing our hand or cleaning our hand with the use of any liquid, with or without soap. So having a good hygiene, it is critical to prevent the spreading of infectious disease. Next, make sure that the sink is reachable and have a running water, antimicrobial soap, and a paper towel. Take note that sink is a contaminated area, so we must avoid touching it. So when we stand in front of the sink, we must avoid touching the sink, or our uniform should never touch the sink or have contact to the sink to prevent the spreading of microorganisms to our uniform. Okay, next, we must inspect our cuticle, hands, or arms, or any abbreviation of cuts or lesions, because open cuts or wounds can harbor a high concentration to the microorganism. Okay. Next, open the faucet and adjust the pressure of the water. Now, make sure to wet your hands thoroughly to the running water. Fingers should be pointing downward, and the hands and forearms always below the elbow. The water flows from the least of contaminated area of our hands. Next, apply a good amount of antimicrobial soap in our hands. Scatter the soap to the hand thoroughly by rubbing palm to palm in a circular manner. Next, interlace the back of our hands and rub it. The other one. Rub palm to palm with the finger interlace. Now going to rub the back of the fingers in each hand's interlock. Interlocking and interlacing, it ensures that all the fingers are well cleansed. Now, pay attention to the thumb and rub the thumb in a circular manner. The other one. So the next one, clasp the finger and rub it into the other hand. Next, rub the wrist. Okay, now that we are done, we are rinsing our hands through the running water. Rinsing mechanically washes away the microorganism and dirt to the sink. Avoid splashing the water to our uniform because microorganisms travel faster to the moist area. That we are done, we are going to pat dry our hands with the use of paper towel. From the fingertips to the wrist, and discard the used towel. I get another one. And pat dry. And discard the used paper towel. Now that we are done, I am going to turn off the faucet with the use of paper towel. Done with the hand washing technique. So always remember, in healthcare setting, always remember and follow the 5 steps of hand washing. Thank you.